In this video, I'm going to compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Dropship Spy and Niche Scraper. Now, if you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors is a great way to change your business and make a lot of money. At the same time, picking the wrong tool is an amazing way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover really important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've also included the links to both of them in the description so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Dropship Spy shines in its product discovery capabilities. It provides a well-organized interface where users can explore really potential hot products that might take off in your business. The platform offers several sections like winning products, promising products, and Instagram influencers, which provide curated insights into trending items. Users can also filter products based on specific niches, popularity, and potential profitability, making it much easier to make targeted decisions. But what about market analysis? Well, the tool offers detailed market analysis features including engagement rates, potential reach, and competition scores for each product. Dropship Spy also gives an insight into the advertising trends associated with each product, allowing users to gauge market saturation and determine the best timing for entry. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Dropship Spy provides straightforward integration options with Shopify, which I've actually linked in the description below if you want to check it out. It facilitates easy product import and listing. However, its integration capabilities might feel limited compared to some other competitors since it primarily focuses on Shopify without extensive support for other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Amazon. So if you are using Shopify, then you're pretty much set with Dropship Spy. What about their supplier database? Well, the platform offers a section on suppliers, including recommended suppliers for each product listed. Although it does not feature a comprehensive supplier database like some tools, it provides essential contact information and reliability ratings, which can really help in making informed supplier choices. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? So Dropship Spy includes a profit calculator with each product to help users understand potential profit margins based on cost and recommended retail prices. This feature is instrumental in making quick assessments about the financial viability of different products. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Dropship Spy has a very clean and intuitive interface. It's user-friendly and especially great for beginners. The dashboard is straightforward, and finding products or navigating through different sections is relatively seamless. What about customer support and community? Well, Dropship Spy offers customer support via email, and they have a growing community on social media platforms where users can exchange tips and experiences. While the support is reliable, it may not be quite as immediate as a lot of live chat options that some other tools provide, but they do have this chat with us where you can kind of contact a bot and you can get some information as well. What about their pricing structure? Like how much does it cost? What does that look like? So as you can see on their pricing plans, they literally just have one pricing structure, one membership that you can get, which is called the Pro membership, and it's $39 a month. You can get the monthly subscription, or if you get the yearly one, it comes out to $119 a year, which means you're saving $350. And so you can see what's included in this subscription. If you want to try it out, you can actually use the link in the description and sign up. What about the automation features though of Dropship Spy, right? How can you use it for automation in your business? Well, the automation features in Dropship Spy are kind of minimal, focusing mainly on product discovery and analysis rather than the full spectrum of different operations that you would do in your dropshipping business, like auto ordering or inventory management. But what about their analytics and reporting? So Dropship Spy provides basic analytics related to product performance and potential market reach. However, the depth of reporting might not satisfy those looking for detailed business intelligence and advanced metrics. What about the mobile app availability? Well, currently Dropship Spy doesn't offer a mobile app, so that could be a downside for people who want to kind of manage their business on their phone while they're on the run, but that might get added in the future. So what do users have to say overall about Dropship Spy? The user feedback is largely positive, with particular praise for the effective product scouting and the ease of use, but there are some people who complained about not having a wider platform integration and missing out on some more advanced analytics features that some other tools provide, which I've actually mentioned in this channel that you're watching. You can check out some of my other videos. Dropship Spy is a solid choice for dropshippers focused on uncovering promising products and understanding marketing trends, particularly if you use Shopify. Niche Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Niche Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Niche Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Niche Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Niche Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Niche Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Niche Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Niche Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Niche Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of ad spy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Niche Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, NicheScraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using NicheScraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for NicheScraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about NicheScraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, NicheScraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.